Put a roll of toilet paper into boiling water. Sounds strange? Just wait until you see the result. Boil water in a deep pan. Take a regular roll of toilet paper and soak it thoroughly. Toilet paper absorbs water like a sponge, making it perfect for this trick. Make sure the whole roll is saturated. Once it softens, gently remove the cardboard tube from the center. Place the soaked roll in another container and let it cool. Then lightly squeeze out the excess water. Tear the paper into smaller pieces. Grab a small aluminum tray and evenly spread the paper pieces at the bottom. Measure out some of your favorite fabric softener and pour it over the paper. Add some laundry scent beads. They work great for this. Cover the top of the tray with a piece of aluminum foil. Use a toothpick to poke a few small holes in the foil. This is how the scent will slowly be released. Now, just place it somewhere in your bathroom, ideally near the toilet. You'll get a long-lasting, fresh scent from this homemade air freshener. It looks simple, works amazingly well, and surprises everyone who tries it. Take a roll of toilet paper and soak carrots, beets, or parsley. Toilet paper is sufficient for sowing vegetables with very tiny seeds. You don't need to buy more expensive seeds on so-called tapes. You can make your own seed tape. The tape is useful for sowing vegetables like carrots, parsley, beets, lettuce, or onions. Small seeds are often sown too densely into the soil. Elderly individuals also struggle with bending down. Using seed tape makes sowing easier. So, take a regular roll of toilet paper and compare it to a store-bought seed tape. It doesn't have seeds on it yet, but that's about to change. Unroll the paper and fold a few sheets. Once you have a substantial amount, lay them out on a table or countertop. Grab a spray bottle filled with water and moisten the spread-out paper. Its whiteness is an advantage, as it makes the seeds visible. The seeds will stick to the moist paper. Therefore, spray the paper evenly. It shouldn't be too wet or it might tear. Take the seeds. I have carrot seeds, but as I mentioned, they could be seeds of other vegetables. Sow them on the paper. Since they are visible on the paper, you won't sow them too densely, and you won't need to bend down. Most of the sewing work will be done now. Fold the paper with seeds in half and gently roll it. This homemade seed tape costs next to nothing, excluding the price of the seeds, of course. Now, all you need to do is go to the field and lay it out. Then cover it with soil, and you're done. In this case, carrots are sown. I don't have to spend hours bending down or endure the chill of the spring wind. Pour it on toilet paper, and you won't believe how many benefits you'll get. Take some toilet paper. About 6 sheets will do for this trick. Fold it in half, then start rolling it as shown in the video. Next, take a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. Ground coffee has a strong aroma. Then, add 2 tablespoons of honey and mix everything well. If the mixture is too thick, add more honey. Wear gloves to protect your hands from stains. Take the rolled paper and apply the coffee and honey mixture, covering it completely. Now, take a tall glass jar and add about 2 tablespoons of cloves. Pour vinegar into the jar, making sure the cloves are submerged. Finally, place the prepared paper into the jar, ensuring the lower part is soaked in the liquid while the upper part sticks out. Put the jar in a spot where you spend the most time, then light the paper. The smoke from this mixture releases a strong scent that repels mosquitoes and other scent-sensitive insects. Flies, ants, and even cockroaches will avoid areas where they detect this smell. My grandmother taught me this trick. Take a regular roll of toilet paper and soak it thoroughly under water. Toilet paper is highly absorbent due to its structure, and once soaked, it holds a large amount of water, making it perfect for the next steps. Make sure it's fully saturated. Now, remove the cardboard tube from the center. When the paper is wet, the cardboard easily comes out. Gently squeeze out the excess water. The paper should be damp but not dripping. Grab an aluminum tray. It's lightweight, easy to find, and allows you to shape it as needed. Tear the toilet paper into pieces and spread them evenly on the bottom of the tray, making sure they fully cover the surface. Pour dish soap over the paper, adding enough to saturate it well. Cover the top with another aluminum tray, pressing the edges together to create a sealed container. Then, use a knife to cut a few small openings in the top tray. These holes will allow the fragrance to release gradually. Now, place your homemade air freshener in the bathroom, preferably near the toilet. It will slowly emit a light, fresh scent, neutralizing any unpleasant odors. Squeeze some toothpaste onto toilet paper and spread it evenly. You'll be surprised how effective this method is. Tear off a few pieces of toilet paper and fold them in half, then fold again to form a strip. Now, twist the paper between your fingers to create a rolled shape. Apply a thin layer of toothpaste to the twisted paper and spread it carefully. Toothpaste contains ingredients like mint and menthol, which act as irritants. Next, place the twisted paper inside an empty soda can, positioning it in the opening under the tab. Now let me show you how to get rid of mosquitoes effectively. Simply light the end of the paper and wait for it to smolder, releasing smoke. Mosquitoes can't stand this specific smoke and will immediately stay away. This is a ridiculously simple and inexpensive way to keep annoying insects away without using chemicals. Now you can enjoy a peaceful evening without worrying about bites. Place a roll of toilet paper in the fridge. You'll be surprised by what happens. I'm sure you'll thank me for this tip. First, prepare a baking soda paste. Take a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is great for removing tough stains and naturally absorbs unpleasant odors. Add a little water and mix until you get a paste-like consistency. Apply the paste to the top of the toilet paper roll, making sure to rub it in thoroughly. Repeat the process on the bottom of the roll. Turn the roll and apply the paste again, ensuring it's well absorbed. Once you've prepared the roll, place it in the fridge. This roll will absorb all the unpleasant odors, keeping your fridge smelling fresh all the time. Plus, it's a cost-effective and eco-friendly solution. Try it out and enjoy a consistently pleasant aroma every time you open your fridge. Crush a toilet paper roll. You definitely won't regret it. You'll always do it this way from now on. Toilet paper is an essential product in every home, making it hard to imagine daily life without it. Discover this clever trick that works wonders in the bathroom and will help you stop wasting paper. Before placing the roll on the holder, crush it so that the cardboard tube in the center becomes nearly flat. Once it has the desired shape, only then should you put it on the holder. This method slows down usage since spinning the roll becomes more difficult. Contrary to what you might think, this makes a big difference. A standard roll, when placed normally, unravels too quickly, leading to overuse. Also, pay attention to an important detail when buying toilet paper. The key to a good purchase lies in reading product labels. Most people don't bother with this, but the labels determine how long your toilet paper will last. By checking them carefully, you'll quickly figure out which product offers the best value.